Hey, welcome to day 49. I'm out here giving stiff wig soft life, looking for a whitey. Whitey. I'm looking crazy. I know I need to do my hair, but you know what? Today is such a lazy day. Today is one of my most laziest days. I am so impressed with myself. The fact that I could drag myself out of the bed to come do this walk. I am so proud of myself, immensely proud of myself. So, once again, pat on the back. I'm so lazy. I'm literally walking in my dress. So far, I have done 7,000. So far, I've done 7,200 steps. Ooh, look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Hey. I'm out here giving stiff wig soft life. And to be honest, the life has been soft and the wig have been stiff. So maybe I'll keep it that way. Stiff wig soft life. So quick update on how the day's been going. I've been drinking my water. I've already drank my 3 bottles of water. All right, for lunch today, I had pork chops, I had avocado, and I had rice. Scrumdiddlyumptious. I'm telling you, so good. This is lunch. Eating like a queen. And then for dinner, I had the same thing. I had pork chops, rice. I didn't have any avocado the second time around. And I had a few apples, maybe two. Maybe I'll have one more before the day ends. But yeah, that's the current situation. And I had a little grape. I've already done my reading and my workout. This is me doing my reading and my workout. Key points to chapter 7. The truth is, everything is curved. There is no true straight line. Everything is changing, including your life. You're on a journey. Your life path. That path is curved. You're curved either upwards or downwards. Wherever you may be on your own journey, understanding the slight edge gives you the tools to start fresh right now and to place yourself firmly on the upward curve. Alrighty, guys, I just finished doing my reading. It's getting dark. Let's get. Alrighty, guys, I just finished doing my workouts. Now I'm going to take my picture and insert it here. Thank you guys for watching. Have a super awesome day, and I will see you in tomorrow's video, hopefully with a new hairstyle, because this one is looking tragic. Tragic!